We often encounter the terms social hierarchy and social stratification on newspapers. Hierarchy and stratification are the concepts of classification of people in a society by characteristics and positions. What is the difference between the seemingly similar terms? Today, we will learn about the social values we should pursue by considering whether our society is a hierarchical or stratified society. Differences between hierarchy and stratification. The idea of hierarchy was established in the era of Plato. By the Middle Age, the concept became the basis of the hierarchical society. With the emergence of the capitalism, Marx argued that the people in the society are put into capitalist class and labor class according to the capitals they own. The theory of class of Marx has a single standard of classifying people, thus called the one-dimensional theory or the monism. On the other hand, stratification is classification of people in a society by a range of criteria. A stratum consists of a group of people with similar background, such as wealth and educational level. In general, people are classified into the upper class, the middle class, and the lower class in a stratified society. Yet, the greatest difference from the hierarchical society is that the class of a person in the stratified society may be changed, depending on which aspect is considered the most. In other words, one can belong to either the upper class or the lower class depending on the criterion interested. Statistical and individual perspectives on stratification, and structural and organizational perspectives on hierarchy. Hierarchy and stratification are both social classification structures, but can't be used interchangeably. Unlike the classes in a hierarchical system, strata are statistically defined by specific standards, and do not bind people in a single stratum, as one can always move between the different strata. The equality of opportunity, the core concept of the liberalism, encourages competition, which causes inequality. In order to resolve the problem of inequality, a country attempts to be fair in giving opportunities to everyone and to offer welfare benefits to those in need. Therefore, the stratification is an individual's personal approach towards the issue of inequality. On the contrary, inequality in a hierarchical society is the inequality between the social groups. Accordingly, the members of each hierarchical group experiences strong bonds and sense of belonging to one another. Thus, an issue of the society is considered as the issue of the groups, not of the individuals. Society where individuals' efforts can lead to a shift between classes. Nowadays, fairness is considered to be one of the most important values in various areas. A society is expected to be fair at all times, and a controversy of fairness arises when a significant number of people feels the society is unfair. If the chances of the individuals shift between the classes continues to become lower, thus, the stratification of people becomes permanent, the stratified society will become a hierarchical society. Then, the conflicts between the social classes will grow larger. Likewise, the equality and fairness of opportunities and the possibility to move between the classes in a society are critical aspects that keeps the society stable and sustainable.